Fred is a plumber looking for a new job. He's got the necessary training and education, the certifications, the experience, and the motivation, but he doesn't know where to look for his dream job. That's until his friend Robert, also a plumber, tells him about this website he heard of, HVAC Job Center. Later at home, Fred decides to check it out on his computer. After searching Google for HVAC Job Center, Fred is directed to hvacjobcenter.com. Wow, it's a job posting website just for the HVACR and plumbing industry. There are plumbing jobs all over the country, and there's even a category just for plumber jobs. Fred notices a search box at the top, so he refines his search, looking only for plumber jobs near him. He finds jobs he's never seen before, and a few seem very interesting. Fred also notices that he can register as a job seeker. He does so and follows the easy steps to create his profile. He can even add his resume to his profile and apply to jobs with a click of the mouse. Even better, Fred can set up his email alerts to receive any new plumbing job corresponding to what he's looking for. He receives an email as soon as a new plumber job is posted. He makes sure to always be one of the firsts to apply. Fred continues to spread the word about HVAC Job Center among his other plumber friends. He ends up finding his dream job on hvacjobcenter.com and living happily ever after.